हाय एवरीवन, आई एम बैक विद अ न्यू वीडियो। आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग इंटरव्यू में पूछा जाने वाला एक बहुत ही फेमस क्वेश्चन के बारे में बात करेंगे। दैट इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन इजनल एंड कोलीज। ओके, सो इन मोस्ट ऑफ द इंटरव्यूज interviewers ask about what is the key difference between isnal. So this coalesce and isnull is both used for handling the null values, but there are some major difference. Let's see that what are the major differences. Okay, so both coalesce and isnull are the function used to handle null values in SQL, but have important key differences. Now, what important key differences they have? The standard for coalesce is ANSI SQL standard, and isnull is Microsoft SQL Server-specific. This is not the very important difference which I would say, but if you check with the parameters, in coalesce it accept multiple parameters. Okay, it accept multiple parameters like this. So in coalesce it accept multiple parameters, and similarly in isnull it only accept two parameters. Okay, both are used for handling non values only, but it coalesce accept multiple parameters and isnull accept two parameters. For return type, if you talk about the return type of both coalesce and isnull, the return type is the first value for coalesce which is not null. Okay, so here you could see I have given four different parameters, four different values. So first is null, so it will not return the first value. Second is also null, it will not return the second value. Third is not null. If I run this, here you could see in the result set, you will be getting third value. Okay, now similarly for isnull, what we need to do, it will, for isnull the return type is the first parameter. Initially the return type will be the first parameter, but if the return type of the first parameter is null, it will by default return the second value. Whether it is null or whether it is not null, it do not matters. If the first value is null, it will by default return the second value. So this is the example for isnull. Okay, now to understand this, let's create a table called employees. Okay, create a table called employees. We already have an employee table here, but let's see. The table has been created, and if I will query this table, here you could see thus this many of records I have. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to handle these null values. So what we will do, we will use this coalesce function. We will use this coalesce function to handle. So what we are doing, while selecting, let's suppose we need to fetch a records for the employee's name. Okay, to display name. So display name, what we will be doing, if the first name is available, then take the first name. If second name is available, then uh, if the middle name is available, then take the middle name. In case if the middle name is not available, take the last name. Okay, so this is what we are doing. So here you could see when I execute it. Okay, when I execute it, I am getting all the display name, but for employees table, here you could see that the middle name and the last name has some null value. So this is how we use this isNull and coalesce function. Most recommended, like people use mostly coalesce because coalesce are can handle multiple edge cases or multiple scenarios. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you really think that this will help you into your SQL preparation, do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much and have a good day.